So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa favorite park nila Kaden. Dati wala yan, mga rental homes dyan. Pero ngayon, natayuan na sila. Oh, the mail, oh.
There's a mail too.
Where are you going na?
The park.
That's your favorite park ba?
Yes.
Oh,
That park is my favorite.
okay.
The one that's green.
No. Hindi naman siya ganun kalamig, pero yan. Hi, Ella! Excited ang Bratinela. Ayan, wala na. Dati makikita mo sa hapon yung ano dyan. Sunset. Dami nang nagbago din. After 2 years. Nakalimutan mo yung ano mo, Kaden, plane mo. Magpapalipad ka sana.
The park.
Nung papel, aeroplanong papel.
Actually, I don't need my brains. Look, I see something up in the sky.
Okay.
What's something up in the sky makes it rain? What is something makes it rain?
Yun yung, aray ko, yun yung Henderson. Doon kami dati. Ito naman si Daryl. So ayan, lakad-lakad. Ako wala akong pasok today, pero si Daryl mamaya pang hapon. Kaya sabi ko maglalakad-lakad muna kami sa park para maarawan. Ang bilis no, Daryl, yan. Ano yung paupahan? Ang taas din, ang taas. Sana ba ano natin to? Tawag dito, magpapabooking ako para sa apartment tour again. Diba? Para makita ng mga gustong mag-renta dyan. At least.
Patapos na. Pang ano, ilalagay sa baba.
Oo. Ang gara eh. Up and hanggang ano ba yan? Paano kaya yung setup niyan, no?
Baka ito ang basement nila.
Tingin mo? Or per floor din yan? Diba? Ganda dyan pag summer, oh. Mag-barbecue ka.
Depende siguro sa entrance.
Pero mahal yan. Hindi Broad Street ang may hawak dito eh. Tapos ang taas nung ano, ang tirik. Oo.
Iba yung sa baba, iba yung sa taas.
Feeling ko, kita mo kasi meron daanan sa ano. Mukhang iba tong baba. Wala ba?
Ang first floor na yung taas. So ito yung basement.
Oh, may basement siya.
Yung basement nakita.
Oh, sige, try nating mag-book dyan ng ano, viewing. Hopefully. Doon na yung dalawa, oh. Grabe. Sarap ng araw ngayon. Yung feeling na akala mo sobrang init pero hindi siya mainit. Hati eh. Mahangin. So dito lang guys. Nagpapa-araw. Walang masyadong taong nakalabas. Kasi Sunday ngayon. Siguro nasa bahay-bahay or nagsimba. Oy! May inuubo pa si Ella. Uso ngayon yung ubo. Go na! Ride ka na! Ride ka na! You want the camera? Oh, what will you say? What will you say? You say hi to Lolo Lola.
Hi, Lola, Lola.
How are you, Kamo?
How are you?
Oh, what are you doing? Tell them what are you doing.
I'm gonna swing. Then I will show you how to run.
Okay.
Wait,
Ayan, no?
where?
Ooh, Ella!
Let's go!
Action!
Whee! It's so much fun!
O kahit magsisigaw si Kayden dito ngayon. Walang tao. Okay lang.
I see the trees. I see the monkeys.
Hello, si Ella, inuubo na.
There's the monkeys.
Ay, sus.
I'm a monkey.
Ala. Uy, Daryl, ang lakas mamaya tumilaw.
I'm monkeys.
Monkey ka?
Yes. I'm projecting to be a monkey.
Happy?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Push you?
There's enough. Stop the screen.
Why?
That's the accent. This is how we won. Let's go. Be careful. Mommy, I need to set that.
Ella, you say hi.
Hi. Hi. Look how to slide.
You're my sunshine after the rain. Ah,
Above the
raise your hand when you slide. Kayden, raise your hand when you slide.
Why I don't need to?
Hindi, lagay mo sa ano mo, makinig ka rin.
Back to this area.
Raise your hand, Ella. Raise your hand.
And that's super my toy.
Sip your chai, you got nothing to hide. Yeah, your future's so bright, so just smile like there's no one watching. Early morning on a Saturday, wake up, time to get it started. No one's gonna get in your way, no one's gonna leave you broken hearted. You don't need nobody else, everyone knows you're doing well, so well, yeah. Not a worry in the world, you ain't scared of nothing. You a boss kind of girl, you got all you wanted. Earned yourself a quick break in the morning. If someone tells you otherwise, give 'em warning. Don't let yourself be restrained. Own yourself and just walk away. Away, yeah, yeah. Just one look in your eyes and I know I found who I'm looking for. It's the way that you smile that captivates my mind. 'Cause I see the way you're winning. You got something that inspires everyone who's lost their vision. You got something that everyone is craving. I'm just wishing I can be with you. I feel like I need you in my arms. There's something about the way you look when you sip your chai. You got nothing to hide. Yeah, your future's so bright, so just smile like there's no one watching. Ooh, don't you know that everybody wants to be your love, love. Ooh, don't you know, yeah, that I never thought I'd fall under your.
Stop you. You got the money. No, you got it.
Ayan, minsan lang sila makalabas ulit. Sulitin na habang hindi pa nag-winter. Run! Jump! Jump! Yung si Ella. Hingal na ang lola nyo. Raise your hands like this. Oh, Ella, raise your hands like this. Dance! Dance! Jump! Are you happy?
Yes! Yes!
Oh, gaya-gaya! Maganda dito. Ano ka lang? Tahimik. Solo mo ang park. Ayan, tumakbo kayo para mapagod naman kayo. Ay, inuubo na. So, yan. Ganito na yung view niya. Mas na-appreciate ko siya noon, pero alam nyo naman, talagang hindi natin mapipigilan ang pag-unlad ng isang lugar. So, masasabing maunlad ang isang lugar kung madami ng pinapatay ng establishments, rentals, kasi ang issue sa Canada, di ba? Housing crisis. So, yan. Yan ang nagiging solusyon. Pero okay na din siguro. Ganun talaga. Kailangan may mga pagbabago. So, ito yung dati. Ayun, may nagwawalk na ng dog niya. Oo. Ayan, kahit tumakbo yung mga bata, wag lang silang lumagpas dun sa ano. Ayan. Ayan. Takbo sila para mapagod. Exercise. Ala, si Ella, baka madapa. So, ayun, enjoy lang natin every day. Napapatakbo si Darren, which is hindi naman niya talaga ginagawa yan pag-exercise. Kaya, ayan ngayon, para makapag-exercise naman silang tatlo. Ito yung full view. Ayan. Tapos doon na kina Kuya Mark. Dati doon kami naglalakad. Tapos school ni Kaden dati doon. So ayan guys. Grabe ganda maglakad talaga. Maaraw.